Welcome to my channel, Exquisite Glow. Today I am going to be sharing with you guys a dedicated Happy Mail unbagging by the shop called OHDOODLESHOP on Etsy. I am super excited to share this nice little package with you guys. As you can see, I've obviously already tore into it. I received this package yesterday, but the lighting in my room was very low and I didn't want to use studio lights because it is the summertime and it gets super hot and I do not have AC in my house right now. It is not working and we're not about to pay for it at this time because we're a little broke. Anyways, we're not broke, I'm just kidding, but it is an expense and we're still saving up some money for that. So hopefully I can film anytime upstairs whenever I want to once that is fixed. But in the meantime, it is early right now. It is the next day, so I'm gonna go ahead and share this with you guys. Now, this is a nice little package that I'm about to share with you guys. I am going to disclose that I am part of her PR team. Gracie was nice enough to put me on her PR team, and I am so excited and thankful for that. Now, in this package, I am getting some PR kits, but I also purchased some kits myself because I really loved her stickers and I really like her layouts and how she puts everything together and what I actually used from the stickers that works for me personally as a planner. So I bought some myself and I'm going to show you those as well. Now this is what usually you would get. You know, you would get your nice little package in this clear wrapping. She does secure them very tightly, which is really nice, so the pages won't get folded or anything. She puts this little sticker to secure it. And let's go ahead and dig in here. Now, as part of her PR team, I do get to share with you guys a discount code of 20% off. So if there is anything in here or in my previous video, which I will link here on a card and also in the description below, as well as some plan with me's, I'll go ahead and link throughout this video so you guys can check out how I used her previous kits, and I'll also link the videos down in the description for you guys to go check out so you can see how beautiful her kits are. So this is what I received from her, and then I'll let you know what I bought as I get to it. So the first thing that you will see in your kit will be a freebie, and this is what the freebie looks like this time around. So you have Sophie the unicorn going on a trip. Here she has her luggage and her ticket, her boarding ticket. Then you have Sophie doing some laundry, super cute, she loaded. And then you also have Sophie doing some shopping. Now I actually used all of my Sophie freebie stickers that I got last time. I've used them all and I love it. I also have 3 sheets that she sent me last time and I've already been using those in my spreads. If you check out my plan with me's, you'll see me taking advantage of those. So yeah, you'll get a freebie like this, super cute, as well as some extra little stickers that you can use as decoration. Now this first kit, I'm gonna actually put things this way and bring them in. Okay, so the first kit that we have here, she actually sent me the glitter headers. So she offers glitter headers in her shop as well that match the kit that you're buying, but this is an add-on. So you pay for this separately and they're at $2.95. Super cute, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of each color. So that's awesome, okay? So you don't only have to use them in this kit, you can use them with other kits that it might match with. And this kit is called the Pink Lemonade Planner Sticker Kit, and this is the mini kit that I'm about to show you. She does have a deluxe kit, so you can definitely check that out on her shop or on my Instagram. I'll go ahead and put that here on the screen. Also, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on videos like this where I show you guys new Etsy sticker shops or just sticker hauls and plan with me videos. Go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on those, and follow me on my Instagram. Now let me do a quick, my hands are shaking, I don't know why they're shaking so much, but let me do a little run through now that I panned it once. You have some Deco, you have a weekend banner, you have 4 asterisk round stickers, you have some heart checklists here, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 half box checklist. This one is a to go, to clean, to buy, and a to do. And then you also have these little ones down here. You have the cool movie marquee. I really like the ones that have like all of these round light looking art on them. Really like that. So you have a washing dishes, postmail, payday, vacuuming, some workout stickers, credit card, a spray bottle, bubble bath, change your sheets girl, and gas, martini, phone call, detergent, a feather duster, a shopping bag, some towel hanger, and some beauty sleep. So you have all of those on this first sheet. So that's one sheet. And then the second sheet you got here is the full-size box, the full-size boxes. This is the pretty ones with all the decoration. And then you have some teardrop bubbles here on the side. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6 and you have 8 boxes. Pretty cool. Turn down the brightness so you guys can see the colors not as washed out. And then the next page here, we have our to-do headers. Today's tiny tasks, important next week, don't forget dinners, this week school goals and work, as well as some flag stickers here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flags. And then you have your dinners, some TV, some computers, paydays, doctors, present for like a birthday. You have some shipping boxes here for more happy mail. And then you have these play buttons, and then you have some asterisks here at the bottom. So that is page 3. And now the last page in the mini kit is going to be your half size boxes. You have your washi tape here. Let me put it this way so you can see it better. You have your washi tape, which I really like. Actually, I like the thick ones where it takes up the whole bottom of the Erin Condren planner because that is what I use. If you're interested in an Erin Condren planner, check out my Plan With Me's. I also have a link where you can get a $10 discount on your purchase. That'll be down below if you're interested in that type of planner. But when you have the washi tapes and kits that is like thicker, it takes up the whole bottom part of the Erin Condren planner. I like that, but I also appreciate that she does one that's a little thinner, because that way you can use a different type of washi in your planner as well, along with this one, to cover up that space. I think that is pretty cool. That way you can use the washi that you buy, you know what I mean? And then you have more washis here, and then you have 2 habit trackers there. So that, you guys, is the Pink Lemonade mini kit. Super cute. And it comes with headers. She sent it to me with headers, but this is an add-on, so you guys know it's an add-on. The kit itself is $14. The add-on is $2.95, and she does have a deluxe size, which you guys can check out on her site. Now the next kit that we have going on here, oh my goodness, is, okay, so the first thing is the glitter headers. You got some red, green, yellow, and pink. And then the next thing would be the Deco sheet. And everything is exactly the same, so I'm just gonna pan through it so you guys can see all the colors and everything close up. The next one is the full-size boxes. Super nice. I really like that she adds a quote or like a saying or something, so you can put that at the top part on the left hand side of your Erin Condren. I really like that. She looks really nice. Like, I like her little bathing suit. It's super pretty. Then you have the MDNs. Nice and pink colors. And then you have your half-size boxes, habit trackers, and all the washi on this one. Look at this washi. This washi is super nice. It's like strokes of paint. Really pretty with some glitter in there, some like iridescent glitter in there. Right there, this iridescent glitter. Super pretty. All right, and this one, if you guys are interested in, is called the Summer Ready Planner Sticker Mini Kit. Again, you can use my code EGLOW20 to get 20% off of your purchase of $10 or more. Now this one I'm really excited for because this is the 4th of July kit. This is the 4th of July fireworks, that's what it's called. And you have some red, blue, light blue, and some silver glitter. And then for the decoration, we have these really pretty decorations. Everything else is exactly the same, but we're using the colors that are themed for 4th of July. Super, ooh, look at that movie marquee. That's pretty, I really like that one. So nice. All right, so the exciting part, this is what's so exciting for me all the time, the full-size boxes. So this is what it looks like. Look at her bandana. So cute, and her hair looks so nice. I have brunette hair, but I change it up all the time. Like I'll go blonde, then I'll go like gothic black. Right now it's actually a dark brown. Really like, ooh, the truck, it's so cute. God bless the USA, yes. All right, everything super, super cute. Oh, check it out, guys. I forgot. I did see this yesterday, but I totally forgot. Look, a brunette like me. She also wearing the bandana, super cute. And this is actually an outfit that I would probably wear. A skirt like that with a jean jacket or jean shirt. So cute, and sunglasses that cover up my entire face because that's how I like it. Oh, so cute. I love it. Probably the only sticker that I would bring from over here is the truck and maybe the cherries. And you like kind of like, you know, change it up so I can choose and pick. So pretty much you can go with the blonde haired girl or you can go with the brunette haired girl. So pretty. I love that she gives options. Last time she also gave an option on one of her kits for the dark skinned girl or the light skinned girl. I use a dark skinned girl in my plan with me for that week when I used that kit because I just thought she was beautiful. She had like the most cutest outfit and her hair looked so nice, and girl, I just liked it. This is so nice. I like the colors. All right, and then the last page is the page with the washi, the habit trackers, and the half size boxes. And the washi tape is really cute, very celebratory, very nice. Love it. All right, you guys, so that is everything that I got as a PR package to share with you guys. So I'm super excited to use this 4th of July kit because 4th of July is coming up, and I figure that I would get her kit. Either I would buy it, and let's be honest, I was hoping she would send it to me, which she did, and I'm so happy she did because I haven't seen like kits online as well, like everyone putting out their kits about 4th of July, and I'm like, well, I want to use a 4th of July kit in my planner, but I knew that she had this one and I really liked it, so I'm glad that she sent it. So that is everything that I got as a PR package. Again, like I said, use EGLOW 20 if you liked anything in here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I personally purchased with my own moolah. All right, so I didn't add the glitter headers on my purchases, but I should have. I'll probably like maybe go back and get them, I don't know, depending on when I want to use these, because I need to like really organize myself and see what kits I'm going to be using in my planner soon. So this one here is called Adventure Awaits, and everything is exactly the same as to layout, but we have the nice Deco sheet with the H2O, the globe, super cute. I am planning a vacation, so this one is going to be perfect for me to use during my planning time. Sorry, I'm like not panning. All right, the next one is this one, super cute. Love this. I've been seeing this artwork going around on Etsy. I really like how she put it together. So cute. Oh my god, look at this. It's like a journal or a TN, a traveler's notebook. You guys, I'm starting to learn like the whole like traveler's notebook like sizes and lingo, you know what I mean? Because I've only used like Happy Planner and like Erin Condren planners. This is so nice. I really like this. So I only know like that, but now I'm like expanding and I'm like learning about the TNs, and I know that I want a B6. That's all I know because I can use my like Erin Condren and Happy Planner stickers in a B6 planner. So yeah, I'm still learning. I'm trying to figure out like what leathers I want to get, like, because I know I want a Foxy Fix, but I need to figure out what leathers I want to get. Look at this washi tape. I love it when they incorporate like the glitter in there. I love that. Super cute. You got stars right here. I love that. The habit trackers. So this one, you guys, is Adventure Awaits. Super cute. Now the next kit that I got is called Heart of Ice. This is, again, all of the kits that I'm showing you guys are the mini kits, okay? So Gracie did really good with this kit as well. This one to me is more Cinderella-ish, although it says Heart of Ice, so it kind of has like a mix of like Frozen and Cinderella. To me, that dress is very Cinderella, but then the name of it and all the glitter gives me that Frozen Disney movie vibe, you know what I mean? So I really love that. Super cute, great colors, very light, and on camera I feel like they are showing lighter than what they are in person, but I can guarantee you guys that it looks really nice. Alright, you guys, this one is the full-size boxes. This is what I love in every single kit. This is like the main thing I look at myself when I'm gonna buy a kit, the actual like full-size box decoration, because everything else is just kind of like, you know, the heart checklists and like extras. But this is the main feature in your planner, let's be honest. Super cute, I love that. Love. I actually just came across a picture on Instagram where Cinderella is putting up her middle finger and so is Ariel. And those two are like actually my favorite princesses. Ariel and Cinderella are my faves. So I was like, hell yeah, girl's got attitude. I knew she was a badass. So yeah, super cute. These are the headers. I know I do a lot of talking. Sorry. Sorry, not sorry. Alright, check out this washi. Super cute. Very starish. And it has some like splashes of glitter in there. So nice. Half-size boxes, washis, and habit trackers. So that, you guys, these are the ones that I personally purchased with my own money. So I wanted to share that with you guys. Everything is super cute. Cinderella and Adventure, or not Cinderella, Heart of Ice and Adventure Awaits. So you guys, if you liked anything in this Happy Mail unbagging, definitely go check out OHDOODLESHOP. I am gonna go ahead and post pictures on my Instagram for you guys so you guys can check it out there as well. My discount code is EGLOW20, so definitely do not forget to put in your codes. May it be my code, may it be somebody else's code. Don't get effed over, because I actually just did that where I forgot to put in my code and I didn't get my freaking 20% discount on one shop, and then in another shop I didn't get the $2 off, which is okay because the owner of the shop told me that the next order I can get the discount. But with the other one where I spent over $100, that would have been 20% off. That's 20 bucks. I would have paid 80 bucks, you guys. Ugh, so mad, but oh well, it happens. And I'll let you know what shop that was once the items get here, and I'll show you guys. But anyways, you guys, this is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little Happy Mail unbagging. Again, go check out OHDOODLESHOP. I'll go ahead and link her down below. I'll put the discount code here on the screen, EGLOW20. Do not forget. I'll also put it in the description so you don't forget as well. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so you don't miss out on cool unbaggings like this one, so you can see what sticker shops are out there. I do have a lot of stuff coming in to be sharing with you guys. I'm super excited to show you guys what else I've been getting. And yeah, don't miss out. Subscribe, follow me on Instagram at exquisite_planning so you can see pictures of the stickers there and my spreads, my Plan With Me spreads, and then also some book stuff because I love to read books as well. So if you want some recommendations on some book titles, definitely go check out my Instagram. Alright you guys, I want to thank you all so much for watching. I love you all so much, and until next time, I will see you later. Bye guys! Mwah.